how to set up Bluetooth in Mercedes GLK 350.
How to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth. Today we're in this Mercedes GLK 350. It comes with Bluetooth talking, but it does not have Bluetooth streaming music. So I'm going to show you how we can add Bluetooth streaming music to this older Mercedes GLK 350 original system, okay? You can keep everything exactly the way it is. You do not need a new radio. You do not need to do any sort of modification to this existing radio. You can keep everything exactly the way it is, but add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio right here. We're going to add Bluetooth by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Gizmo Guy gadget will allow you to add number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older car factory radio without any type of modification, okay? Simply connect my device to your phone, to your car, and pair it with your phone, and you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features through your older car factory radio without Bluetooth. You can add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy gadget. Simply use the Gizmo Guy gadget, plug it in, and you'll add Bluetooth capability to any old car radio. All you gotta do is plug in the Gizmo Guy gadget into your car and set your radio, and then you're ready to go. Let me show you how it's done. To add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes-Benz, all you got to do is plug in my gadget into your car. In this case, in this GLK, this Mercedes GLK, all you got to do is plug in my device into the 12-volt charger back here.
Bluetooth connected.
So we're gonna go back here. You can hear that we just did that. So let me do it again. So we just plug it in and listen.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
That's it. That's all you had to do to add Bluetooth capability to this Mercedes GLK 350 original sound system right there. Okay? All you gotta do is plug in the device, set the radio to 87.9, and you're ready to number 1, stream music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, add GPS navigation functionality, all from your smartphone through your older Mercedes factory radio without Bluetooth. So you may be wondering, well, it's easy to connect, but how does it sound? How does Gizmo Guy gadget sound in real life? The stereo. Well, I am showing you now, so listen. We have this on 87.9, and you can hear the music, okay? I choose the music because you can hear the bass is solid and the pitch is high. The sound quality is CD. It's CD sound quality, unlike anything else you have elsewhere, okay? Those other ones do not work. This one will work. Not only that, you will sound crystal clear and static free, and you'll sound just like your CD. Listen. So the car is running, okay? So there's no hissing, there's no static noise. You can hear the music. It's just clean CD quality sound through this system. Okay, this Mercedes factory radio system, you can hear that in the music because it's got a really nice sound system. You can hear that the bass is really kicking. The music quality, it's the one thing that I'm most proud of. We spend a lot of time tuning the sound quality to make it just perfect because we don't want to settle for anything. So not only is crystal clear, static free, but it's also clean. Okay, this is the best quality sound that you can get out of the Gizmo Guy gadget. GLK 350 factory radio. Okay, so this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, showing you how you can add Bluetooth capability to your older Mercedes factory radio. In this case, would be a GLK 350 original sound system. We just add Bluetooth to it, so we can now, 1, enjoy streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, add GPS navigation functionality, so you'll be able to hear all the GPS navigation instructions from apps like Waze through your car speakers loud and clear.
So this is Wesley. This is Wesley, the Gizmo guy, showing you how you can connect your smartphone through and add Bluetooth capability to your Mercedes GLK 350. Okay. Thank you for watching. This is Wesley, Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my how to set up Bluetooth in Mercedes GLK 350 video. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have fixed, repaired, replaced thousands of car stereos. So when it comes to car stereos, I know what I'm talking about. Take my advice, try the Gizmo Guy gadget out. I guarantee you will be very, very pleased. So get my gadget at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you. Bye bye.